Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is money and shopping. Let's do the first exercise to remember some words connected with shopping.
Choose the correct words to describe the pictures.
Picture number 1. What is the best answer? Online, well done. Buying things online is very easy, and it's cheaper too. I pay by my debit card. I'd spend too much if I had a credit card. Well done. Picture number 2. What is the best option? Online? No, this is not right. The lady on the picture is in the shop, and the sign next to her says sales. So the answer is sales. I love buying clothes in the sales. You can find some real bargains, even things at half price. Picture number 3. What do you think is the best answer? Credit card. Well done. I sometimes buy designer clothes from little boutiques. I use my credit card when I shop. Then it doesn't matter if there is no money in my bank account because I can pay the bill later. People usually use credit cards to pay for goods later. And the last picture. What do you think is the best answer? Bargains. Well done. I like looking for bargains in street market. I pay cash. Bargain is when you get something at the cheapest price. Well done. Let's do one more exercise. Here, you need to complete the sentences with the words from the box. Let's read them. Credit, debit, cash, exchange, receipt, return, refund, bargains. Look at sentence number 1. What do you think is the best word to complete sentence number 1? Exchange. Well done. This shirt I got online is much too small. I'll have to exchange it for a larger size. Number 2. Return. Oh dear, I'm going to have to return these shoes. Look, there's a hole here. Number 3. Refund. Well done. No, I don't want to exchange this coat. It looks awful on me. I'd like a refund, please. Number 4. Credit. Well done. I don't have a credit card. I think they're dangerous. I just have a debit card. Number 5. Bargains. Well done. I went to the sales yesterday and I found some amazing bargains. Number 6. Receipt. Exactly. I'm going to return the skirt to the shop and ask for a refund. I must remember to take the receipt. Number 7. Debit. If you shop online, you need a debit card or a credit card. And the last one is cash. If you shop in a street market, they won't take a debit or credit card. You'll need a cash. Well done. Now, let's do another exercise.
Listen and match the items with the speakers.
Let's look at the pictures. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And picture number 6. Now, let's listen and match.
I bought a lovely winter coat online. I got a size 12, but it's too big. I'm going to return it. I'm exchanging it for a smaller size, which should fit me perfectly.
Which picture matches with the speaker? Well done. Next.
I buy my clothes in street markets and I pay cash. I got a brilliant pair of designer jeans for only £20, but I don't think they're genuine Levi's.
The speaker said he bought jeans for £20. Well done. Number 3.
I bought a pair of trousers in the sales in the new store last week, but when I got home, I found a big hole in them. I took them back with the receipt and I got a refund. I won't shop there again.
Can you see a picture of a receipt? Great. Next speaker.
There was a sale on in that little designer boutique in town. I got a fantastic bargain. It was a designer dress, and it was half price.
The lady said she bought a dress at the half price. Which picture matches with the speaker? Well done.
I know I shouldn't, but I often use my credit card, even if there's nothing in my bank account. It's very hard to walk past a good bargain on the high street.
The lady says she uses her credit card too much. Can you see a picture of a credit card? Well done. And the last one.
I often buy and sell my clothes on eBay. It's not complicated and you do get some good bargains. You can always sell them again when you're bored with them.
Well done. Now let's do the last exercise. Here we need to match the sentence halves. You have some time to look through the sentences. Let's start. Number 1. I'd like a refund for this bag. Well done, because the shoulder strap is torn, look. Number 2. I'd like to exchange this coat for the smaller one, please. Great. Number 3. Don't forget to take your receipt if you want to get a refund. Great. Next. I shop in designer boutiques. If I need a dress for an important occasion, well done. Next. If I use my credit card, I don't have to pay right now. Correct. And the last one. I'm returning these trousers because the zip doesn't work. Well done. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.